Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Cheyenne token. That is the name of the token and the ticker symbol. Now this is a meme coin on the Solana blockchain that is based off of a horse, and this token has a gigantic 24-hour trading volume, huge market cap. I mean, it's up almost 20,000. It's over 20,000% in the green today. Up 20,306% in the past 24 hours. I mean, this token is going bananas here. It's trending number 8 right now in the Solana section on DEX Screener. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So this token you can find on SolScan. And if you are looking for the chart and the price and the statistical information, it's listed on a few sites here. You can find it on DEX Tools, you can find it on DEX Screener, and it's also listed on CoinMarketCap. Now right now they have 8,940 holders, and this is a very brand new token as well, so that's a lot of holders for a short amount of time. Now as usual, I'm going to put their Twitter up in the corner of the screen here so you guys can easily find this token. And you can see in the name of the Twitter it says CTO, which is short for community takeover. So most likely the dev is out of the picture on this project, and it is a token now run by the community, but we can always verify that in a second here, make sure that's correct. So they have here, today there's a ton of very popular Solana meme coins. So I am going to do a few videos on some trending Solana meme coins. So check that out on my channel, the videos today, because a lot of them are just going bananas here. This one's trending number 8. It came out 20 hours, 26 minutes ago. And it is up 16,750% in the past 24 hours. Has a market cap of $20.3 million, and that's also their fully diluted valuation. Now this is going to fluctuate like crazy because this is a very popular trending meme coin right now. They have a 24-hour trading volume of $35.3 million. They've had 71,814 transactions in the past 24 hours. They have $646,000 worth of liquidity in Raydium, and according to DEX Screener, 99.99% of that total liquidity is locked and burned. So that's great to see. They have a token price of 0.022 USD, so basically 2.2 cents. I mean, again, it's going to fluctuate though all over the place. Right now they have 1,500 pooled SOL in Raydium, which is equivalent to 14.99 million pooled Cheyenne tokens. They have been doing a marketing boost on DEX Screener, and they have the marketing boost button there of 500, so they're promoting this token. And it says CTO of the first animal in Pnut's Freedom Farm. Now it says that on DEX Screener, but it doesn't have the actual community takeover claim. So I don't know if they just made this project and said it's a community token, or there was actually a community takeover, because takeover usually means that the dev sold their tokens or abandoned the project and now the community runs it. But this just seems like it's just been announced as a community token. So slight difference, but it says, yeah, their Telegram, if you want to follow that, is at Cheyenne Portal. 472 subscribers on there. You can preview the channel before joining. That's going to be a great place to see updates regarding this project. If you go to their webpage, CheyenneCTO.com, they have a buy button there. They even have a donate button. There's a charity token here. But the buy button will take you to pump.fund. But you can also get this token off of Raydium. Like I said, there is a big Raydium pool. So basically, if you wanted to get this token, first of all, you would need a wallet that could store Solana tokens. So you could use a Trust Wallet, Soulflare Wallet, Phantom Wallet, MetaMask Wallet. Any one of those wallets would do. You would fund your wallet with Sol. Then you would go into the dApps. You would find Raydium. Then you would trade your Sol for this token using the contract address that you could find on their official webpage, CheyenneCTO.com. You probably will not have to set slippage, and there is going to be a little bit of gas fees when buying tokens off of a DEX like Raydium. You can maybe get the token off Jupiter or Meteora as well. Who is Cheyenne anyways? Well, Cheyenne is the first animal to be rescued and rehabilitated by the beloved Pnut's Squirrels Freedom Farm. Pnut's Freedom Farm is a non-profit sanctuary for saving animals in need of a forever home. Cheyenne played a big part in both the sanctuary and the hearts of all those around him. So much so that he was drawn into a logo and made an icon forever alongside his brothers Fred and Pnut. With the tragic, unnecessary passing of Pnut, there was no soul that was more heartbroken than the first animal that Pnut was able to help. So the Pnut's Freedom Farm prophecy. Pnut's Freedom Farm prophecy is in full motion, with every animal on the logo currently breaking all types of records of prophecy of sorts. Is being, so they have the goat, they have the goat token's a very popular one, Goatseus, Cheyenne, Fred, and Pnut. So those are the four animals on the picture. So Pnut did a whopping $2.4 billion market cap. Goat did $1 billion market cap. Fred, $315 million market cap. The only prophecy who's, and then they're just expecting the horse token to do very well also. And at the bottom of their webpage, you can find 4 different chart links. Dex Tools, Dex Screener, CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap. They have their Twitter, Telegram link there. And according to Dex Tools, they have 990 million total token supply, and that is also their circulating supply. You can also find a quick audit by Quick Intel Security on Dex Tools as well. And it says here that contract is verified, no honeypot, no mintable tokens, tax is not modifiable, and no other risks. But keep in mind, that's just a quick audit. It doesn't go over everything. Thoroughly do your own research before investing in any tokens. Let me know in the comments down there, what do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.